Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use search chips in Gmail to search within a result. Search chips is a new feature in Gmail that makes it easy to find emails in your inbox. This is basically a search filter option that appears when you search for something in Gmail. Here is how you can use this feature. Search something on Gmail. When you do that, it loads a few filters below the search bar. Some of these filters are content-aware. It finds the most relevant option as per your search query and allows you to filter the results on the basis of the recipient, chats, time, attachments, read-unread, etc. It also offers an advanced search option that allows you to enter specific parameters for the search, including subject, words, attachment size, date range, etc. Now, you can use this filter to sort down the results as per your needs and easily find the email that you are looking for. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.